Hello, doctor. If you're using a 3Shape TRIOS scanner, there are two different ways to send us a case. First, you can send via 3Shape Unite. You go into your Unite app and you can select either Daniel Portal or Ben Guilford. You just type in their name as a lab connection. You would connect with them and then send them a case via 3Shape Unite. The other way is via app.rebel3d.com. And there you can also send cases that you would export out of TRIOS, log into your Rebel app, and then you can send them to Dr. Semino, Daniel Portal, or Ben Guilford. And here's a video walking you through how to do that. So Ben, show us from the TRIOS software, how do we get the scans out and into our design portal for a Rebel agent?
So we just go straight to our cases here. And once I have this case highlighted with the three dots over here on the right, we'll select that and hover over export and then click on scans. What we'll do from there is just choose our output folder that we're going to go with. And then we can create a new folder or patient list if that's how we want to do that. And then down here, the important part is your save type. We want to change that to STL.
Yeah, if you're sending to like an ExoCAD designer or a non-3Shape designer, really important to export STL files.
Okay.
Awesome.
And from there, yep, we can go straight to the Rebel app. So to get to the Rebel app, we'll go to rebel3d.com. And this is our homepage here. And then in the top left under Case Design app is where we want to go for case submission or to submit our scans. If you don't have an account, you'll just go down here to this don't have an account. And it's pretty straightforward from here. You put in your name, email, and password. If you already have a login account, then you'll just put in your information here and go to login. Once we're on the login page, we can go straight to case submission. And under case submission over here on the right, we'll go to fill out, and that gives us basically our digital prescription. We can type in patient name. I usually use last name and then first initial. Click on fixed, crown or bridge, case design instructions, anything like please match adjacent anatomy. And then we'll scroll down to click on design and manufacture. Then at the very bottom here, we'll go to scan files attached to this case. And then we can choose the files. Then we'll just go back to our export under Jane Doe. I can select both of these and hit open, and that will drop the STL files onto the case. And we'll go up and hit submit. Also within the app, we can go to messages up here in the top left. And this is just a direct messaging app. Please call for shade or, any special instructions, those will come directly. So this would be just a portal of back and forth messaging. You can also, of course, text, email, those kinds of things.
Awesome. Thank you, Ben. And we'll also, your invoices are here and tracking numbers will be here and just the status of all your cases. Good stuff. Thanks for the overview.
Yeah, thanks, Rob.